Hello everyone. Now let's see practical question related to revaluation account. Topic of chapter 3, change in profit sharing ratio. So I have taken one example in which ABC are partner. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:1 and new ratio they are deciding in future, that is 1:1:1 equal ratio. Balance sheet is given in the question and some adjustments are the given, like goodwill is valued 3 lakh, land is to be revalued at 1,60,000, building depreciated by 6%, creditors were not likely to claim, prepare revaluation account, capital account and balance sheet. So first of all we will learn how to make revaluation account, because this is very important ledger account and it will be used in our chapter 4th and chapter 5th, admission and retirement. In both chapters revaluation account will be used, so understand it properly. So revaluation account, as we know, record increase and decrease in the value of assets and liabilities. Clear? So here we have to record decrease or increase in the value of assets and liability. First point is goodwill is valued at 3 lakh. So we will make goodwill adjustment, gaining to sacrificing partner. Clear? Next transaction is related to revaluation, that is land is to be revalued at 1,60,000. You have to remember about two words, at and to. See, if at to these words are given, then you have to take the difference. Means now the value of land is 1,60,000 and in the balance sheet land is 1 lakh. So increase in value of land is 60,000. Here land is given 1 lakh. Now the value of land is 1,60,000. So the value of land is increased by 60,000 and we have to record increase or decrease in the value of assets. So land is our asset, increase in asset, that is our income, we will record on the credit side. Losses, here we record losses, here we record incomes. Increase in assets, which will be recorded on the credit side. Clear? So value of land is increased by 60,000. So by land account, that is 60,000. Clear? Now building depreciated by 6%. When by word is given, we will directly take this amount. In the case of by, directly written means no difference. Clear? No difference, only direct value. 6%. What is the value of building? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 6%, that is 6,000. So building is depreciated by 6%. Building is reduced by 6%, that is 6,000. So decrease in asset, it is our loss and will become on debit side to building 6,000. Clear? Losses, incomes, decrease in asset, increase in asset, increase in liability, decrease in liability. So building is depreciated by 6%, we will record to building 6,000. Land is revalued 1,60,000, earlier its value is 1 lakh, that is 60,000. At the time of to and at words are given, we take difference it from balance sheet. Clear? Now creditor of 12,000 were not likely to be claimed, means 12,000 value of 12,000 creditors will not take their claim, means we no need to pay these creditors, so our liability is decreased, and when liability is decreased, it is our income and we will record it on the credit side. When liabilities are reduced, it is recorded on credit side. So 12,000 liability is reduced by way of creditor, so we will record on the credit side by creditors 12,000. Clear? So these are the effects of assets and liability, increase and decrease in the value of assets and liabilities. If to TO2 or at is given, we have to take difference it from the balance sheet, and if by word is given, then we will directly take this amount. Clear? These two are the basic rule of preparing revaluation account. Now the profit of revaluation account is, that is 66,000, and it will be divided among the partners in which ratio? In old ratio. Profit of 66,000 will be distributed among partners in their old ratio. Clear revaluation account? Now see capital account. Capital account, all of you are aware about capital account in chapter profit and loss appropriation in chapter 2. So on the credit side we will record those items which are credited to partners capital account, and on debit side we record losses. So partners capital account ABC, first capital balance, by balance brought down 2 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000. Then in balance sheet, see, in balance sheet journal reserve is given. Clear? Journal reserve, or we can say profit and loss, if it is given, then journal reserve and profit and loss are distributed among partners in their old ratio. If nothing is mentioned, we distribute journal reserve and profit and loss among partners in their old ratio. Clear? So 60,000 will be divided in their old ratio. See, by journal reserve 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Profit of revaluation, by revaluation account, profit division 33,000, 22,000, 11,000. Clear? Now what is this? See, working notes. Here goodwill is given 3 lakh. So what is the treatment of goodwill in chapter 3? Gaining partner to sacrificing partner. This amount will be divided in journal entry gaining to sacrificing partner. So we have to make working note for this. Old ratio 3:1, new ratio 1:1. Is old minus new, old share is 3/6 minus 1/3, 1/6. It's a positive. Sacrifice. B, old share 2/6 minus 1/3, that is equal to 0. C, old share 1/6 minus new share 1/3, that is 1/6. It is of minus sign, so it is gain. If positive is coming, by applying the formula of sacrificing ratio, sacrifice. If negative is coming, that is gain. Clear? So goodwill of 3 lakh will be divided in journal entry gaining partner to sacrificing partner. Here C is gaining and A is sacrificing. So C is capital account debit to A is capital account. Goodwill is 3 lakh. 3 lakh multiplied by 1/6. That is our gain or sacrifice. 1/6, that is 50,000, 50,000. Now how will you put this journal entry in capital account? See it very carefully. How will you put this journal entry in capital account? Here 2A is capital, it would be on 2 side. See, our journal entry is C2A. Our journal entry is C2A. So we will write over here 2A is capital and amount in the C's column. Clear? Journal entry is C is capital, 2A is capital. We will write here 2A and amount in the C's column. Here C on the by C, amount in A's column. Clear? How to put journal entry in ledger? C2A. 2A in C's column amount, by C in A's column amount. Clear? So our balancing figure to balance carry down capital account of partner. Clear? Now balance sheet, there is 12,000 decrease in the value of creditors. See, earlier creditors were 1 lakh. 12,000 liabilities decreased by way of creditor. So 1 lakh minus 12,000, that is 88,000. We will show in the revised balance sheet 88,000. Clear? There is no change in bills payable, that is 40,000. Now capitals of ABC 3,13,000, 1,42,000 and 21,000. Clear? Land is increased, that is revalued at 1,60,000. So land value 1,60,000. Building was depreciated by 6,000. Earlier building was in the balance sheet 1 lakh. It was depreciated by 6%. 6,000. 1 lakh minus 6,000, 94,000. Earlier value of building was 1 lakh less depreciation 6,000, that is 94,000. Then stock, plant 2 lakh, no change in plant. Stock, debtors and bank, no change in these figures. Clear? So total of balance sheet should be equal. Both sides of balance sheet, liability side and asset side, should be equal. Clear? This was the simple question of revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. Here nothing was mentioned regarding journal reserve, profit and loss distribution, so and revaluation profit. So we'll divide revaluation, journal reserve and profit and loss, journal reserve, revaluation etc. in old partners in old ratio. If partners don't want to distribute journal reserve, then we will make journal entry like gaining to sacrificing partner. Clear? If partners don't want to distribute journal reserve and profit and loss and revaluation, then we will add journal reserve, goodwill and revaluation profit and make journal entry gaining to sacrifice and record like this entry C to A. Clear? See another example from your book. Here Brijesh, Charu, Dilip are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:1 and their new ratio is 4:1. So it's a question of our chapter 3, change in profit sharing ratio. Balance sheet is given in the question. Now information regarding assets and liabilities are given. Partners do not want to record the altered value of assets and liabilities. Clear? Here partners do not want to record the altered value of assets and liabilities. Altered value of assets and liability means revaluation account. Partners do not want to record the changes in assets and liabilities. It's a case 2. And want to leave reserves and profits undistributed, and they don't want to distribute reserves and profits. Reserves and profits are given. So reserves, profits, revaluation profit or loss and goodwill will be divided according to journal entry gaining to sacrificing. Partners don't want to record altered value of assets and liability, don't want to distribute reserve, don't want to distribute profits. So we will make one single journal entry gaining to sacrificing partner. So first of all, see its revaluation account. See its revaluation account. Stock is to be valued at means difference 20% less. What is the value of stock over here? 1,80,000. 20% 36,000. So stock is valued at 20% less, means decreased value is 20% less. Stock is 1,80,000, 20%, that is 36,000. Stock is decreased by 36,000. Stock is our asset. Decrease in asset on debit side because it's a loss. So to stock, see, to stock 36,000. Then provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts is our liability. Provision for doubtful debts is liability, and liability is increased by 1,500. Increase in liability on the debit side of revaluation to provision 1,500. Then furniture is to be depreciated by depreciation on fixed asset. It's a loss, decrease in the value of asset. On the debit side we will record. Furniture is depreciated by 20%. What is the value of furniture? 30,000. 20%, 6,000. So furniture is 6,000. Also plant depreciated by 15%. Value of plant is 2 lakh. 2 lakh 15%, 30,000. 30,000. Then 3,500 are outstanding salaries. Outstanding liabilities means increase in liability. Outstanding liability means increasing liability on the debit side to outstanding salary 3500. Next, building is valued at means difference 3,50,000. Here building is 3 lakh. Now the value of building is 3,50,000 means 50,000 increase in asset. It will be recorded on credit side by building 50,000. Clear? Then we will find out the loss, that is 27,000. We will not divide it among the partners because partners are not recording altered value of assets and liabilities. So it will be done by journal entry gaining to sacrificing, not distributed among the partner. So what we have to divide in gaining to sacrifice are reserves of 42,000, profit of 21,000, goodwill is valued 45,000. See, 42,000 reserve, 21,000 profit, 45,000 goodwill and 27,000 loss of revaluation, that is 81,000 will be divided in journal entry gaining to sacrificing partner. Clear? So in capital account, when you prepare a capital account, you will record on the credit side buy balance brought down and then gaining to sacrificing entry you will post in ledger account, in capital account. Clear? And in balance sheet also, see, this is journal entry of 81,000, Charu debit to Brijesh to Dilip. In capital account we will record to Brijesh, to Dilip and by Charu. When you are writing by Charu, you will put amount in Brijesh and Dilip, 4,500, 4,500. And on the debit side, to Brijesh, to Dilip, you will put amount in Charu. To Brijesh in Charu's column 4,500, to Dilip in Charu's column 4,500. Clear? And in balance sheet there is no change in the value of assets and liability. You have to show as it is in the question. Cash, provision, no change in any asset, debtor, furniture, building, plant, no change, no depreciation is charged. Clear? Similarly on the liability side, creditors are as it is, reserves. If we are distributing reserve among partners, then it is not shown on the liability side, it is distributed. But if we are not distributing reserve among partners, then it will be in the balance sheet as it is. Reserves 42,000, profit and loss balance 21,000, capital account as per balance of capital account. Clear? But assets and liabilities value remain same as in the question. See, in this question 87,000, 42, 21,000, same 87, 42, 21 and same on asset side. No change in the value of assets and liability. We have to make revaluation account, but we will put in journal entry gaining partner to sacrificing partner. Clear?